Good morning, you guys. So I need to make me some coffee like always. Y'all know how we do start off the vlog like this because mama gotta have coffee. So anyways, I have to go to the grocery store later this evening to get me some coffee from the vlog what I just post. I said that I was supposed to go get me some coffee and I still forgot. That's why I need to write down things when I go out. Okay, so I had to borrow some coffee from next door. So we didn't go to the laundromat today, but we took our clothes to I guess to a service. Somebody's gonna be washing our clothes. Brianna's father was like he rather just spend the money for someone to wash their clothes rather than be to the wash house for hours. He rather just go to work and make money. So I was like, fine with me, baby. I'm just playing, but yeah, I'm not playing. I was thinking, I was like, I don't want to send my underwear. I don't want nobody to be washing my underwear. But I was like, girl, fuck it. They're gonna get my underwear, okay? Hopefully they bring them all back. Because underwear tends to get lost. And like, I be selling no shitty underwear or no sticking up underwear. You know, funky ass underwear or nothing like that. Inappropriate, because some people do, baby. Once they spend their money, they'll send you anything. Shitty ass clothes, anything. That's why certain jobs like I cannot do. No ma'am, no sir. Ooh, this weather's nice, you guys. This weather is so nice. I got on my thick robe. You know, I couldn't wear this in the summer. Okay, I couldn't wear this inside the summer because it was too hot. But ooh, it's nice and cozy, baby. Yeah, what else? But yeah, I'm just gonna make my coffee. Brianna's still sleeping. So yeah. Anyways, I'll get back to you guys when I go to the grocery store or something like that. I'm just talking. Bye. So it's later on at night. I'm sitting inside my robe. The clothes is here. We're gonna do a smell test. Okay, let's get it smell. They don't take baskets, so everything have to go like in a bag or something. Alright, she smells clean. She smells clean. Smoke them up drawers. Straight to the top. It smells good. And everything comes fold up and nice. We didn't have to do nothing.
It's still hot.
Smell good. Alright. So we will book with them again.
Okay.
Yep. So anyways, we're getting ready to head out. I have to go by Lowe's to get Brianna's formula and to the grocery store to get some, I think mouthwash, toothpaste, no, mouthwash, what else? Creamer, toothbrush. Yeah. And it's pretty cold at night, y'all. Bree's all comfortable in the back here. She got a little TV going on. And she's good. Okay, on our way to the store. Baby. Okay, guys, so we're heading into Actual Value. I don't know why I be singing and talking, singing. What the fuck is that? I be excited, eh? Okay. Okay. Here, monster. Two for $5.99.
These I'm saying they're having the steaks and shit.
They do this for the Christmas, eh?
No, they bring them in.
I know, but I saying like you didn't get actual value of the formula. Let's see how much for the formula. $22.87. Okay. That's what this is the mouthwash that it's telling you about. Excuse me. Okay. They get the terror bread inside the grocery store, really? That's what I'm talking about. You want to spill on this thing? No, you can dry you with this too.
Oh, for that.
$14.
Boy, I forget it. Why didn't I give you the money to get off? That's all right.
Tissue. Which one you want?
That's 10.
You can get the big pack. Toothbrush. $10 for 2 days. What the hell? Anyways, guys, so we stopped at the Chinese to get something to eat. We're just gonna share a plate because they give you a lot of food, so we're just gonna share a plate, and they want me 2 egg rolls as well. Yeah. Child, it's the Christmas time. I have all the windows screw up. It's so cold, you don't even need the AC. So, I mean, like, around Christmas time, people go crazy. People start thieving, just trying to rob you, thief your car, thief you and all. I don't know. People just be going crazy around the Christmas time, girl. So, Brianna's father went inside for the food. I mean, her locked up in here. Brianna's in the back there watching Miss Rachel. Baby, listen to me. These egg rolls are busting. We stop at the grocery store. I couldn't wait to leave. I couldn't wait. Okay, I taste one and I was like, then I have to eat the next one. So, this how they look. Baby, I had to eat it. Mm, so hot. Ooh, I'm hungry. The only thing I had was coffee and leftover macaroni from a night ago or 2 nights ago. So good. Mmm, crunchy. Baby. Okay, we reached back. Please tell me why I forgot the creamer. Y'all was supposed to remind me. Oh my gosh. Brianna father bought the coffee from earlier today, so I didn't have to buy the coffee no more. So here is our dinner. Wait, make sure there's a lot of gravy. Good child. Anyways, guys, so I came on here to say goodnight to end the vlog, but not really end the vlog because I'll be back on tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just getting ready to brush my teeth and use some of this. I hear some good stuff about this. Okay, they said your bread refresh. The stink morning bread, all that gone. So, baby daddy, we can see that in the morning. He can test my bread in the morning. Okay, because I be having the morning bread. So, we shall see. I already floss. Got my tongue scraper, my toothbrush, and yeah, my toothpaste. I'm about to brush. So, anyways, guys, I'll see you in the morning and let you know if this shit is worth it. Good morning. Good morning, you guys. Say good morning. Anyways, guys, so it's the next day. Let me tell you something. That thoroughbred, baby, 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10, okay? I did a test this morning. I asked my boyfriend how my breath smelled. He was like, damn, girl. He said he didn't smell nothing, okay? So, 10 out of 10, girl. So, yeah. That shit is pretty expensive. I probably have to order that off the line. That is very expensive, okay? Pharmacy has that for $21 and something cents, okay? So it's like $22. The food store has it for $14, which is way better. $5 off or something like that. I probably would try order it off a line or if anybody traveling, but let them buy it or something like that. But anyways, guys, I'm just making me some coffee. Then I'm gonna go tackle them clothes. Not really tackle, but just put them up, okay? They already full and everything like that. As y'all can see from what I showed y'all last night. So yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I need to get me something to eat. I'm hungry. It's after 2. I need to have coffee. Ooh. I'm gonna see what Brianna, because I know she's getting sleepy. But I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.